This is the final video to solve the POS system support setup failed error on Windows. After dealing with the POS system support setup failed error on Windows myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. The first approach targets corrupted system files and disk integrity. By running checks, we ensure the core Windows components are sound, removing any potential corruption that could halt the setup process. Next, we address potential external interference. Adjusting firewall and network settings alongside ensuring correct user permissions prevents the system from blocking necessary installation components. Method 3 involves a clean system environment. This isolates the problem by temporarily disabling background programs and ensuring essential software frameworks like NetEat are up to date, clearing any conflicts. Finally, we focus on a clean installation. This involves obtaining the most recent installer and utilizing a security breach to ensure all system components are correctly registered, allowing the POS software to install smoothly.